Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Teespring Profits video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Teespring marketing. I'm so excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will take you by the hand and show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you really need to know in order to dominate Teespring marketing the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This is exactly what you are going to learn. In video number 1, you will get a detailed explanation of what will be included in the complete training so that you can have a clear vision of what to expect from it. In video number 2, you will learn what Teespring marketing is all about. We will give you the easiest definition for it, as well as cover very important factors so you can have a simple but accurate and complete understanding of Teespring marketing before you start working on it. In video 3, you will learn why you should definitely get into the online t-shirt selling market today. You will learn about some of its amazing benefits, as well as several shocking facts that will make you decide to start getting into it right away. In video number 4, you will learn about the top 10 Teespring automation tools you can use to get the most out of Teespring. These are several services dedicated to giving you highly important information so you can set up some very successful campaigns. In videos 5 through 11, you will learn about setting up a profitable Teespring campaign from start to finish. We will cover topics like creating and getting familiar with your Teespring account, searching for t-shirt ideas that sell, creating your tee, setting a goal, adding a description, promoting your campaign using Facebook ads, and analyzing your results. In video number 12, you will learn the 10 do's you have to apply for successful Teespring marketing campaigns. These are specific things you should remember to use or practice so you can succeed. In video number 13, you will learn the 10 don'ts you have to avoid for successful Teespring marketing campaigns. If you don't care about these, be prepared to be disappointed. In video number 14, you will get the chance to look at several shocking Teespring marketing case studies. These are actual examples we have taken from the internet to show you how Teespring marketing actually works for other businesses, so that you can have complete confidence in your ability to achieve your own business success story as well. In video 15, you will learn how to scale it and make tons of money from the comfort of your home with Teespring, strategies that you can apply and definitely see great results. These strategies have been used by experienced online marketers, obtaining awesome results. Well, it's time to dominate Teespring marketing, fellas. I know you will love this training a lot. Video number 2. What is Teespring all about? Definition. Teespring is an association that actually works for the inventor. It is all about how to build and sell t-shirts, but it is not a retail firm. Teespring is a manufacturer of tees with a win-win situation for both buyers and sellers. They feel delighted because of their superior customer assistance from both the customers and sellers' perspective. They always try their strongest to appease every customer with their final results. The company also supports artisans with a forum to publish their art and make money with it, and allows sellers to reveal the work of an artist in the market. Teespring is a great method to design and advertise custom-made t-shirts according to a buyer's personal expectations online without any inconvenience, pre-cost, or risk. As per the definition, Teespring is a completely zero-cost approach to marketing high-quality t-shirts. Precisely create a t-shirt with an artful concept related to fashion, decide a selling price, incorporate an objective, and put it up for sale. Teespring will print the shirt and ship it directly to the customer, and you make money. Setting up a campaign only takes a few minutes for you to initiate sales with amazing apparel on Teespring. With Teespring, you don't need a single cent of money at the beginning of your campaign, assumption of how many t-shirts you require, and you do not have to chase customers to generate profits. You can promote your Teespring campaign by communicating with your consumers via websites or Facebook ads targeting your prospective customers. Teespring is generally used by marketers to make profits, raise funds for charity causes, artists to show off their work, celebrities to influence their brand positively, and many other reasons. It is really fast and simple to generate money. You can also run a campaign on social media networks to boost your sales. If you are not currently doing Teespring, all you have to do is just design your perfect tees and sell them as your own t-shirts to get started. How Teespring works. Working with Teespring is really easy. It's a no-brainer you can make profits with. Designing a t-shirt campaign with Teespring can be fun. You don't need to have expertise in art or advertising. Identify the niche. Look for keywords and recognize a t-shirt niche that has the prospective customers who really like to display their passion, and you can get huge profits. You can use the Google Keyword Planner to find keywords. Set up a campaign. To create a tea campaign, you get started with the online application to design your own tea campaign. Opt for a brand name, description, and URL for your campaign. Always keep in mind that you will need to promote it later, so take advantage of keywords in the URL and brand name. Design t-shirts. Now, decide how many and which types of t-shirts you want to advertise on your website. You can create your own design related to your niche keywords or outsource the designs. You can utilize only text, only image, and both text and images in your t-shirt design. Teespring supports GIF, JPEG, PNG, PSD, and TIFF image files. Remember to try to follow your store theme. Advertise it. After completing the design part, you need to attract traffic to your store to initiate sales. You can use various types of online advertising platforms such as SEO, search engine optimization, to appear in organic search results, Google AdWords to promote with PPC ads, and Facebook ads to advertise it on Facebook, etc. You can also generate gossip on social media networks by sharing, tweeting, and liking to boost up t-shirt sales. Earn profit. After running a successful t-shirt campaign, determine your profit by calculating the difference between the fixed price set by Teespring and your selling price. Your profit depends on how much more the selling price is than the base price per shirt. The base price will directly go to Teespring, and only the profit will end up in your pocket. Profit equals selling price minus base price. Know your products. Are you looking to sell astonishing t-shirts but are unable to discover which product is good for you? Here you will learn how to discover the correct product according to your niche and design it accordingly. Types of products. There is a diverse range of products available on Teespring for you to display your ideas. You can choose tees according to your customers' needs. You can also choose demographic-based styles such as for men, women, and kids. There are 10 types of t-shirt designs available on Teespring, such as basic tees, long sleeve tees, tank tops, hoodies and sweatshirts, v-neck tees, specialty, ring-spun tee, women's tees, premium tees, kids and babies, and activewear. You can also design baby onesies, cell phone cases, and baseball caps. Color options. Teespring offers up to 10 colors for every pattern. If your image has variant colors which are greater than the Teespring maximum, the design team will diminish those unavailable colors when the tee is created. You can communicate with Teespring support to let them know if there is any demand for Pant 1 matching system colors to obtain the rigorous colors according to your desire. If you don't get connected with support, the adjacent identical PMS colors will be selected at the time of vectorization process. These colors are embraced from the Solid Coated Plus series. Material quality. You can choose t-shirt materials from organic cotton, cotton blend, ring-spun cotton, polyester, and a multitude of colors. You can also control the quality of tees by opting for clothing brands like Gildan, kids tees, long sleeve, unisex tank, heavy blend hoodie, Hanes, tagless tee, women's fitted tee, long sleeve, heavy blend full zip hoodie, Bella, women's tee, Missy v-neck, Canvas, ring-spun tee and tank, poly cotton hoodie, ring-spun v-neck, tri-blend tee, American Apparel Crew, unisex tee and tank, tri-blend tee, Stanley and Stella, Dynamite tie-dye tee, and AWD hoodies. Keep in mind that the brand and style you select will decide the shade options for your tee campaign. You can also go for a multiple of brands and styles.